Good afternoon, everybody. I'm back I'm trying to finish this journal up, so I'm back to do a little more playing in this journal. I think that one's ready for a label. And I thought today that I would play. I got some spray inks. Okay, that one's ready for dots. Oh, I just rolled out through there. That was really good. Ink and paint, or glue and paint, that's whatever it is. Just making a mess, yeah. I'm gonna call that one done too. Some of these I'm really not happy with, and some of them are okay. So we're just going to add a few more layers. Not much to some, lots to others. For some reason I like this just the way it is. And I'm liking this one too. So we're going to set them aside. Till later, and we're going to play with some of these. And the other thing is that I was gifted these wonderful acrylic mixed media art sprays. They're from Marabou, Mitz Z, here on YouTube. Mindy, she's such a sweetie, and she sent me those, and just a total surprise, and I haven't used them because I am such a bad girl. I have not even gotten them out to use. So we're going to try some of them out today. And I also have some stencils here. These little ones are actually off of the cover of little notebooks from Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna get busy here and figure out what I'm gonna do at first. And since I'll be using stencils, I'll probably go through quite a few pages and have a lot of wet stuff today, is my guess. So let's put these back here. Okay. That's going to need a lot of help. These seem real thin, but from everything I have seen, the color on them is fabulous. So we'll just see how it goes. Also, we'll see how much mess I make. It might help to have, oh, I have some somewhere. I'm going to put some deli wrap around so that I don't get it everywhere, get stuff everywhere. Just in case that I can't spray properly. Okay, guys. It's very interesting. I haven't used sprays very much before, so it's one of those things I'm gonna have to play with some more. It's very messy. I'm also not real good with stencils, so we'll see where we go with this. I do want to play some more with them. I need to see how they dry down before I make a decision on whether or not I like what I did or whether or not I'm, that's just another layer. Anyways, guys, my time is kind of up for today. So let's find a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity and then go clean up. Today's quote is, "Creativity grows from uncertainty." I hope you all have a great day. Have fun. Enjoy the rest of the evening and go make some art. Bye-bye.